The number one benefit of using the MX Fuel backpack concrete vibrator is it works every single time. It's incredible. I mean, it's easy, it's safe.
It's all about consistency. We've had the same performance from start to finish thus far. I mean, it's pretty much slap the battery on and go.
The MX Fuel backpack concrete vibrator definitely has the power that we're looking for.
Performance has been on par or better than what a gas-powered vibrator would be putting out.
Sí, me gustó porque no tiene ruido. Una de las cosas que a mí más me gustó lo cómodo que está y al prenderlo, pues nada más lo prendes y lo apagas cuando quieres.
You don't have the fumes of the traditional gas ones. It's a lot cleaner and a lot safer for me.
There's no stop and go get gas, not worried about filling up gas the day before. As long as your batteries are charged, you're good to go.
The battery life of the MX Fuel backpack concrete vibrator, with that 2-inch head, we're looking at somewhere around 50 to 70 yards per battery.
The battery on the vibrator, it lasts about an hour, and then before we have to switch it out, and that's constant use.
You have a remote control that's Bluetooth, just bounces it and you can run it from wherever you're at. There's nothing better than having the reliability of a MX Fuel concrete backpack vibrator. To know you can stick it in and push go and you're getting it done. It's probably the most reliable tool on the site.